Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unsync folders on OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom right part of your screen where your system tray is located. This is the area near your clock and date display. Look for the OneDrive icon among the other system icons there. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This will cause a small OneDrive window to slide up from the bottom, giving you quick access to your OneDrive settings and information. Now that the OneDrive window is open, look at the top right corner of this window. You'll see a gear icon, which is the settings button. Click on this gear icon to access your OneDrive configuration options. When you click it, a small context menu will appear with several options available. From this list of options, click on Settings. This will open the Microsoft OneDrive settings window, which is where you'll manage all your sync preferences and backup configurations. Inside the OneDrive settings window, navigate to the left-hand menu. Here you'll see various categories for managing different aspects of OneDrive. Click on Sync and Backup. This section controls which folders and files are being synchronized between your computer and your OneDrive cloud storage. Within the Sync and Backup settings, you'll see a button labeled Manage Backup. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed to the folder management area. A sync window will now appear, presenting you with all the folders that are currently synced to your OneDrive account. This gives you a complete overview of what's being backed up and synchronized. You'll notice that each folder has a toggle button next to it. These toggles allow you to control which folders remain synced and which ones you want to stop syncing. Simply click on the toggle button of the folder you wish to unsync. You can unsync multiple folders if needed by clicking their respective toggle buttons. This is useful if you want to free up cloud storage space or stop certain folders from being backed up automatically. Once you've configured your folder selections and turned off the toggles for the folders you no longer want synced, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the window. This will apply your new settings and stop OneDrive from syncing those selected folders. The folders will remain on your computer, but they'll no longer be backed up to your OneDrive cloud storage. And that's it. You've successfully unsynced folders from OneDrive and have better control over what's being backed up. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.